Yeah. Oh yo. We're there. Just a gummy in it. Shellings. Shellings like peanut. There's a cane. Shellings like peanut. Mix it like peanut colada. There. Chef Dan. Chef Dan. I want to look what? Oh yo. Dim Dan, how you look what? Mother ass. Now you not peeking. You not too fast. See what going on now? You see that? Chef Dan had awesome fried chicken. What come going on? What going to pot them then?
No, I'm the one there. So sad.
No, see what I go on, man. I want to take this thing for. They call drinks. That's all you know, see. No, I see nothing more. I'm going to dirty your ass. What's man dinner? But I'm going to clear them down if you're empty, man. No more water there, no?
No.
Water still gone? One more ass, clear, man. Be ice. Chilling in the freezer!
Every night, how much money?
And the ice for gone. And the ice. And the ice. Fuck your money in them, man. Gone for the ice. And the ice for gone. Mother house. Mother house. Let me see if we can see father. Wait there. Achieve a chat for my phone. Why the for IMO? IMO. Yes, I can. I know. IMO. Oh yo. Ice. With rice. Life nice. Where's the beer in time?
Portland side, you know what I mean? Straight Portland side.
Straight Portland. Or the Portland. Where is it?
Left more beef, you know.
Our view the dim there. Show them a view. It's in our kitchen. View. Youth! Motherfucker never lost. That's a view there. The second mother not ready for this yet.
And that not yet.
I will tell them.
So
I will go up so.
downstairs.
So that's downstairs. Imagine we go up on the top.
I would have on the nether downstairs.
Bonaf! That's the bonaf! What's your van? Dim, why we never have the phone when we go drive out the van?
What can I say?
The phone now fuck you know. What's your van? Up and running. You see me? Mother ass I know.
Only dead.
Dead. Not even coming number one, come on.
Like okay.
Up and running. Belly so hungry. How the fuck that? I rope now. So come on that.